Folks, I have good news and bad news. The good news is that we have we're back. So we have had it's been a while since we've had low cases. We have due to data information from the recalculations. We are at 745 coronavirus cases. The bad news is the South African coronavirus variant ended up in Ontario, which is bad news because the variant, the UK variant, is the most serious one right now, and the South African variant and the Brazilian variant is like sort of tied at number two. It's not severe but yeah, but it's contained like the UK virus. It's the variant. It's contagious. So this is why we are in sort of in the danger zone right now. So. So let's look at the information that's given. So okay, so however, it's coronavirus day 327. So today's coronavirus case is so apparently we only have there's information to 334 cases are from Peel region, 124 is from York region, and 65 is from Niagara region. And Toronto is reporting a subtraction of the 199 cases compared to yesterday. So, and reports on the variants. So 109 UK variants are in Ontario right now, and one South African variant. $14 more deaths have been reported today, and so let's go over the first South African variant. So this is really dangerous. So there was an investigation going on, and so apparently someone went to the continent of Africa, and he got the South, and got the South African variant, or like maybe they were so someone went there, and they came back. So so I guess they came close to went near someone who lives in Peel region, who never actually this person had never traveled to Africa. And that person has never traveled. and I never has been in contact with anyone who had yeah. So apparently this person, they got it. So this is somewhat similar to what happened with the UK variant in London Middlesex region, because there was like an 80-year-old man, and he uh, he had never traveled outside Canada, and so someone from who went to like the United Kingdom and came back, they I don't know, I guess went near to him, and he ended up getting the UK variant, and that's why he had to quarantine, and he's nice and healthy still. So that this the South African is more transmissible than the other strains of the virus, but it does not cause more severe illness, so it's not scientifically proven. So there's have been cases in Alberta and British Columbia, but those cases have not been related to travel. The first time we've actually seen the South African variant was in the USA and South Carolina. They were the first to get hit. Just last week, and now it's spreading. So not only is the UK variant is like spreading across North America, it's now the South African variant is spreading, and we need to be careful about that. So I hope we are all safe. So stay-at-home rules are like still in effect. Now, please, do not have any large gatherings of any kind. Police are still looking for people who are doing that. You'll get charged if you get if you do you won't get arrested. You'll have to just pay a fine. So it's not the time to have a large gathering with anyone, and you really need to follow pay attention to what you can and can't do. So what you can do is shopping, work, school, banking, medical appointments. But however, about school, it is being released tomorrow on what's the so what school though will be open. So that's going to be yeah. That's this is good. So medical appointments, business appointments. You do please make sure you arrange it, and if it is allowed. So you can do child care services, access to governmental social services, delivery of goods, caregiving. Although keep it under 5. You could get you get fined for exceeding that number. You can take a child to the parent or guardian, take someone in the same household to an approved place under the order, to help someone in experiencing domestic violence, unsafe conditions, or in need of emergency assistance. That is very important. You can go out for exercise. Please dress according to the weather. It's cold out right now, and yeah, I haven't been going out because it's freezing. So you can walk your dog. You must leash your dog at all times. The only place you can unleash your dog is the dog park. So if there's a park with a dog park in it, only in the dog park section you can unleash your dog. Please avoid contact with other dog owners and stay 2 meters away at all times. Skating, yeah. However, some towns and cities do not allow skating. So please check, please. Vaughan, Ontario is the only. I think that was the only place I heard where they don't allow skating in the York region. You can attend a place related to the administration of justice, exercise of Section 35 Indigenous and treaty right. That's for natives only. You can go to an airport or transit station for essential travel. Please make sure it's essential. This is why Air Canada, WestJet, Sunwing, and Air Transat have canceled all flights to the Caribbean and Mexico, because I know people are hiding, trying to go there to escape the cold weather. And Metrolinx and other transit companies are pushing people that please follow, do stuff essential reasons only. So you can visit a household of a person living alone, not a person living with another person, or a household with 2 or more people. So a person living alone can visit one household at a time, not more than once at the same time. No. So you can buy and obtain animal food, veterinarian services, and assistance is still going on. You can travel for exam purposes and moving or making arrangements to buy or sell property, and or to begin a lease. There are of course there's fines for individuals who don't wear a mask or face covering in businesses and other indoor public spaces and crowded outdoor spaces. And I know some of y'all still trying to make up excuses not to. You'll get fined. So there's fines and even closures for businesses that are contravening an order. That includes running a business when told to close temporarily. That means non-essential businesses. So if a business is not contravening, so if they're not coronavirus screening staff, okay, that's the big one. If staff people are not having masks on, breaking capacity rules, no safety rules for staff posted, and not checking if staff are following coronavirus rules. 6 Hamilton businesses have been known for breaking, were named and shamed for breaking this rule, and Hamilton, Ontario is famous for naming and shaming businesses that do. Ouch. So there's a fine for gatherings exceeding more than 5 people who are not from the same household. The host will be charged $1,000, and everyone who shows up pays $750 each. So yeah, you exceed that number, yeah. Keep it under. So schools I've been open this week for like you know. London Middlesex region, Wellington Dufferin Guelph region, Ottawa region, and Eastern Ontario. And schools in Toronto, Hamilton, Peel region, York region, Windsor, Essex region will go open on Wednesday, February 10th. And then Durham region, Halton region, and Niagara region, it'll be revealed when they are going back to school tomorrow. So far, they're doing online classes until whatever they say tomorrow. So how long it's going to take, or yeah, I hope the school is open because with the limitations, because because I've experienced it, and online classes suck. They're so hard to do, and I know students they learn easier if they there's actually a teacher there actually teaching the thing, and instead of just do this, do that, this assignment for this week, that, and you don't even know how to even do it, or some things so yeah. So takeout, drive-through, and delivery service, restaurants, bars, and cafes are available. Use DoorDash.ca for restaurants. Website is not working. For delivery, use the app. Not all restaurants are using Uber Eats. Hospitalizations. 1,192 people are hospitalized right now, so that's plus 34, but at least it's still down below 1,200. Oh, that's good. And 341 patients in ICU, so that's minus 13, that's good. And 253 of them are using a ventilator, that's minus 7, okay? Lowered. So, long-term care homes three deaths at 3,578. Oh, that's 30 plus 35. That's not good. And 224 outbreaks are going on right now. Minus 6. Okay, that's okay. At least it's less. So please follow coronavirus safety rules, use social media to contact others, only go on essential travel, stay out of area where coronaviruses can be high, and please follow stay-at-home regulations. Do not go to other provinces for vaccinations before the vaccines come to your province. The fine is $500 and 6 months in jail. Stay safe, folks. Let's lower down coronavirus cases a bit down below, under 1,000, so we're in a safe zone. Stay safe, folks. And if you were waiting vaccines, the good news is the Novavax company, Maryland-based company, they're they're like making their vaccines right now in Canada and Montreal right now. So expect that.